Is your Pokemon Go showing unable to authenticate? Many Pokemon Go users complain about being unable to authenticate or log in on Android when trying to travel to a different country or switching their network. Often you can have these issues for no reason. Now to solve unable to authenticate on Android, you need to solve your Pokemon account. Internet software bugs. Now to solve this problem, first you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting, tap Developer option, scroll down. First, enable the Wi-Fi scan throttling. Choose always to keep mobile data on. After that, check your internet speed and stability. You can open the browser and type internet speed test. Open this up. If you found that your internet is not working well on your mobile device, you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. If you still have issues and if it keeps showing you connection timeout, open Setting, scroll down, tap Connection and Sharing. Tap Reset Wi-Fi Bluetooth Mobile Network. Now choose your SIM card that you are using the internet. Now just reset your network for your device. After solving the internet issues, you now need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps. Search for Pokemon Apps. Tap on it. Now, first turn on Auto Start, tap App Permission, enable Files and Media, enable Other option, go back, now scroll down, tap Battery Saver, choose No Restriction, tap Restricted Data Usage, enable all the settings. Now clear cache, tap OK. Before you open the game, you need to set up a private network connection for your Pokemon games. To set a private network, open the Google Play Store, tap Search, type VPN. Now install any VPN and set up the VPN with a different server. Once you are connected, now reopen the Pokemon apps. Now try to play the games. Hopefully you'll not face any unable to authenticate in Pokemon Go. After following the process, please comment below if you still have an issue with Pokemon Go on your Android. Thanks for watching.